Vision is one of life's greatest blessings, allowing us to experience the beauty of the world and connect with the people around us. With advancements in modern medicine and technology, restoring and enhancing vision has never been more achievable. At Rohit Eye Hospital, we believe that every patient deserves the gift of clear sight and a brighter future. As a trusted name in eye care for over 33 years, we have made it our mission to combine cutting-edge technology, professional expertise, and a compassionate approach to deliver world-class quality eye care to our community. At the heart of our success is our team of dedicated experts, led by some of the most experienced names in the field of ophthalmology. Dr. O.P. Agarwal, Consultant Cataract, Glaucoma and LASIK Services. He is our founder, Chief Surgeon and Medical Director.
14 जुलाई 1991 यह वह दिन है जिस दिन हमने रोहित आई हॉस्पिटल एंड चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर की स्थापना एक छोटे से सेंटर के रूप में सतना संगीता मेन रोड पर की थी। डॉक्टर विद्या अग्रवाल के साथ में हमने आई एंड चाइल्ड केयर स्टार्ट किया था। यह एक बहुत ही छोटा सा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था जहां सिर्फ ओपीडी की सुविधा उपलब्ध थी और वो इस प्रयास से स्टार्ट किया गया था कि मध्य भारत में हम एक क्वालिटी आई केयर जो वर्ल्ड में बेस्ट सर्विसेज आई केयर में अवेलेबल है उसको आगे बढ़ाते जाएं। क्वालिटी आई केयर वाज माय फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंकिंग और मेरा ध्येय और मेरा लक्ष्य रहा है डे वन से।
He has performed more than 1 lakh surgeries and pioneered the introduction of blade-free laser cataract surgery and 3D cataract surgery in central India. His vast expertise extends to managing complex ocular trauma, LASIK, pterygium surgeries, and more, setting benchmarks in precision and patient outcomes. Complementing his legacy is Dr. Rohit Agarwal, a vitreoretinal surgeon, uvea and retinopathy of prematurity specialist. He is a MS Gold medalist and has done his fellowship from Narayana Nethralaya, Bangalore.
Rohit Eye Hospital is equipped with retina department since the year 2010 with the thought in mind to provide a complete quality eye care under one roof. Retina department has kept on growing since 2010 with addition of new machines and latest technology so that we can provide the best to our patients. In year 2023, Rohit Eye Hospital brought 3D Ingenuity visualization system to Indore, which was first of its kind in central India, which helps in cataract and retinal surgeries. And I am proud to say that I am first retinal surgeon of central India to start 3D sutureless vitrectomy or 3D sutureless retinal surgeries. This Ingenuity system helps us to see surgery in 5 times more magnification and 48% more depth resolution, which helps in precise surgery and better outcomes for our patients. And this is first of its kind in central India, which is used for retinal and cataract surgeries both at our center.
He brings advanced care for all retinal diseases like diabetic retinopathy, retinal detachment, retinopathy of prematurity and complex traumas. Dr. Rohit Agarwal is the first surgeon in central India to start 3D retinal surgeries. Additionally, Dr. Palak Agarwal, Consultant Cataract and Refractive Surgery. She is a DNB Gold medalist and has done her fellowship from Narayana Nethralaya, Bangalore. She also has international certifications such as FICO UK and MRCS Edinburgh.
For us at Rohit Eye Hospital, patient satisfaction comes first. That's why when patients come to us, we try to explain them their entire disease process. We give them various treatment options, pros and cons of each treatment option, and help them to know the prognosis of their disease. This in turn helps the patient to make an informed decision and choose treatment wisely.
She specializes in advanced refractive surgeries like Contura LASIK, Trans PRK, phakic IOL and keratoconus management, ensuring her patients achieve exceptional visual clarity. She is the pioneer in the myopia clinic supported by Zeiss in the central India, that is Dr. Palak's myopia clinic. Together, they form a powerhouse of knowledge and skill dedicated to transforming vision care in the region. Dr. Shweta Gupta, consultant in general ophthalmology, cataract, glaucoma and community services. She is also the medical superintendent of Rohit Eye Hospital and Child Care Center with 14 years of experience in eye care industry.
Our strength lies in our latest technology, skilled surgeons and well-trained staff. NABH accreditation is a feather in cap for us. We were the first eye care institute in central India to get NABH accreditation. Our journey started way back in 2016 when we were pre-accredited, that is pre-entry level accreditation for eye care hospital, which was first in Madhya Pradesh and Indore. Before NABH, we had ISO 9001 accreditation. In 2021, we got full NABH accreditation under the eye care organization category. The journey of 8 years of NABH accreditation is a statement to our care for the patients, their safety and quality eye care, which we have been providing for so many years. As we move forward, we look forward to embrace new technologies, providing latest eye care services to the patients and expand to community eye care. We want to give back to the society that has given us so much.
Over the years, it has evolved into a center of excellence, becoming the first in the region to achieve NABH accreditation and attaining full NABH accreditation in 2021, a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality. Our hospital is equipped with cutting-edge technology to provide world-class care. We proudly offer femto laser-assisted cataract surgery, a revolutionary bladeless procedure performed using the LensX system, bladeless Contura LASIK surgery, 3D cataract and 3D suture-less retinal surgery, ensuring unparalleled precision, safety and faster recovery times for patients. Advanced diagnostic tools such as optical coherence tomography imaging and corneal topography allow us to identify even the smallest irregularities in vision. Our dedicated pediatric eye services unit uses child-friendly diagnostic systems to provide gentle and effective care for young patients. Every aspect of our hospital is designed to ensure a seamless experience. Our team of well-trained and professional staff, from receptionists to surgical assistants, embodies a culture of warmth and efficiency. Whether it's guiding patients through treatment plans or ensuring post-operative care, their helpful and systematic approach ensures that every individual feels supported and cared for. Patients consistently praise not only the expertise of our doctors, but also the empathy and dedication of our staff. Our facility also includes Dr. Palak's Myopia Clinic. Here, we actively work on controlling the rising problem of increasing refractive error in children post-COVID pandemic by various myopia control measures. Our aim is to minimize the progression of myopia as much as possible in young age so as to avoid its future sight-threatening effects on vision in late adulthood. In Myopia Clinic, we also offer advanced refractive surgery options like Contura LASIK surgery, no-touch laser surgery, lens-based refractive surgery for specs removal. We also offer all treatment modalities for keratoconus control and visual rehabilitation of these patients. Cataract facilities include advanced imaging and optical biometry machine like IOL Master 700, image-guided digital marker system like Verion for better alignment of toric and premium IOLs, high-end surgical microscope and phaco emulsification machine, modular OT and 3D visualization system for enhanced clarity, safety, precision and outcomes of our cataract patients. Our retina facilities include advanced imaging system such as Heidelberg OCT and USG B-scan for better clarity and diagnosis. We have started Express OPD for our patients with the help of Optos imaging, which helps us to capture the entire retina even without putting dilation drops, avoiding patients waiting hours for dilation and post-dilation blurring. We have Zeiss Green Laser for retina lasers and proudly operate on Constellation and 3D Ingenuity system for better surgical outcomes. We also offer uvea and retinopathy of prematurity services at our center. Contact Lens Clinic, having qualified optometrists fully trained in fitting soft contact lenses, colored contact lenses, and advanced specialty rigid contact lenses like scleral lenses and ortho-K lenses. Dry Eye Clinic. Dry Eye Clinic offers advanced diagnostic devices for evaluation of dry eye disease, along with therapy options like Mybothermoflow for treatment of moderate to severe dry eyes. The clinic actively counsels patients about different measures that can be taken in their day-to-day life to combat the problem of dry eyes. Our other services include cornea and ocular surface disorders, oculoplasty, pediatric ophthalmology and squint, neuro-ophthalmology. At Rohit Eye Hospital and Child Care Center, Indore, we bring convenience to your doorstep with our in-house eye pharmacy, ensuring expert care and quality products all under one roof. Our in-house optical store featuring iPartner by Essilor for personalized eyewear solutions and IT Go by Zeiss for cutting-edge lenses. We bring you the best in vision care, all in one place. Over the years, we have achieved significant milestones that underscore our commitment to excellence. With over 1 lakh surgeries performed, we are proud to be pioneers in providing accessible, high-quality care. In addition to our clinical achievements, we actively contribute to the community through regular eye camps and outreach programs, bringing vision care to underserved populations across the region. Prominently located in the heart of Indore, Rohit Eye Hospital is designed for easy accessibility, whether by public transport or private vehicle, making it convenient for patients across the region to reach us. Our welcoming and modern facilities reflect our commitment to providing a comfortable and efficient experience for everyone who walks through our doors. We are proudly empaneled with 40+ insurance and TPA companies, ensuring seamless, cashless health, including government schemes like Ayushman Bharat and CGHS Central Government Health Scheme. At Rohit Eye Hospital, our mission is simple yet profound: to provide comprehensive world-class eye care services under one roof. We believe that every patient deserves access to the best possible care, delivered with precision, compassion, and innovation. We are proud to be a beacon of trust and excellence in eye care.